Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can financially plan for a comfortable and secure retirement. Retirement is an important stage of life, and it's essential that you start planning ahead to ensure a financially stable future. Step 1. Calculate your retirement financial needs. Start by calculating your current expenses and project them into the future, taking into account inflation. Think about how much money you'll need to cover your basic expenses like housing, food, and healthcare, as well as leisure and travel. Use online financial planning tools or consult a financial professional if you need help. Step 2. Create a retirement savings plan. Now that you know how much money you'll need to retire, it's time to create a plan to save that amount. Consider investing in a private pension plan or an individual retirement account, IRA, to maximize your earnings. Also, create a budget that allows you to save a percentage of your income monthly. Step 3. Diversify your investments. It's important to have a variety of investments to reduce the risk of losing money. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to achieve a healthy balance in your portfolio. Step 4. Adjust your plan regularly. As you approach retirement age, adjust your financial plan to ensure it reflects your current needs and goals. Also, regularly evaluate your investments and make adjustments when necessary. Conclusion. Retirement is an exciting time in life, but it can also be stressful if you don't plan properly. By following these steps, you'll be on the right path to a financially secure and comfortable retirement. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your own retirement planning tips, leave a comment below.